Hi everyone, welcome to Statistics by on YouTube channel. Today we will discuss topic how to draw a line chart in Excel software. The data already entered in the Excel sheet. Then select the data, go to the insert menu, select the line chart. Click this line chart. Double click for the chart. The format major guidelines. The select for the non-line. The center of line the no lines. Then select for the line, change for the color, red color, increase the width 3. Okay, then click the smooth line checkbox. Line is smoothed. Okay, then select for the XHS bar, go to the fill color, select the change the color, black color, width increase 3, sorry 1.5. Then choose for the y-axis, change same method for the change the color black, width increase 1.5. Okay, then change for the font, go to the home, change the format time Roman. Okay, then select increase the font size 12. Okay, change 10. Okay, 10. Then y-axis, change the font time Roman, increase the font size 10. Okay, the axis title and y-axis title they added to the right corner of the chart in the plus icon. Click the plus icon, select the axis title and y-axis title, then data label. The data label sub options for the center, left, right, above, below. Select the center or left or right, above. Select the above. Data label, data table, and error bar. Error bar submenu with the standard error, percentage, standard deviations are the more options. Okay, then legend sub option for the right and top and left, then bottom. The multiple graph used for the legend options. Then next for the timeline and the up down bars. Okay, then click the change enter for the y-axis title, the plan height, select the y-axis title, plant height, the unit for the centimeter. Okay, then select the change for the font and size 10. Okay, then click for the bold. The y-axis also select the bold. Then y-axis title, select the y-axis title, the days of the plant growth. Plants growth. Okay, then select the y-axis, change the font time Roman, font size is a 10, the bold click, then also y-axis days day also the select the bold, then label also change the font, increase the font size 10, select the bold. Okay, then chart title for the day of the plant growth. Double click for the chart title, enter the title, days of the plant growth. Select the title, change the font time Roman, the 12, the select the bold. the change font color, use color options, select the red or yellow, the blue. Okay, then select for the border of the graph, then automatic, so select the change the color black, the increased with the border 1.5. okay, some additional option for the border, the non color, so non line, the solid line, the gradient line, and automatic. The solid line change the black with increased 1.5. okay, the adjust the graph, use the shift icon, just adjust the graph. The font color also change the black, the axis unit also the change the black color, same the Y options also select the black color. okay, the line graph is ready. Thank you for watching this video.